Here we have a 69 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, with the gold brake calipers behind. We also have the polar white metallic paintwork, LED headlights, we have the Pan America front grille with the big Mercedes badge in the centre, and there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find we have the side steps running on the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the glass sunroof that's currently on a tilt. It can also slide open all of the way. Now we also have 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors and of course the visual display inside. We then have the rear diffuser at the back, along with a power operated tailgate, which if we press the button just here on the remote, then you'll find the boot will open like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space whatever you may need. We do have the partial shelf at the top, storage net just here on the left hand side, along with 12-volt connectivity and also hooks on either side. Coming back out, we also have a handle on the right along with the button. Press the button and then the boot will close again like so. Back round to the driver's side now, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior, inside of the back first, you can see the full black leather interior. We do have the grey stitching, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. There's a look at the roof from the inside. We have the MERCEDES sound system, wooden effect trim on the doors, along with the electric windows. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same full leather seats with the grey stitching. Both front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions, and they're also both heated as well, controlled just here on the doors. Again, we have the MERCEDES sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights down here. We then have the multifunctional steering wheel. If we just take a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. We put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. We do have the adaptive cruise control and speedometer just here on the right, volume buttons on the left with the phone connectivity. Now you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We can change the view of the dashboard by using the buttons just here on the right. So you can see we have the digital speedometer. We also have plenty of features. We have the chip computer, we have the navigation, radio stations, media options, phone connectivity. You can also change the design. It's currently on sport. Go to classic. You see it changes the look. Same with progressive just there. Moving across to the main infotainment screen, you find the sat-nav once more on here. We also have plenty more features as well you would have seen on the photos. But going down here, you'll also find we have the shortcuts for the features along with the touchpad down here. Click onto radio, you find the radio stations. We also have the media options, Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. On the main menu, we can scroll through all the other features quickly just like so, where you find the ambient lighting just here, plenty of colours to go through, and we also have the apps as well. A few apps that we have just there, along with the smartphone with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We then have the different drive modes, so we can switch through the different drive modes using the trigger just here. As you can see, we have Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and Individual. Let's leave it in Comfort for now. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera with a 360 view on the right. If you put it back into drive, it changes to the front-facing camera. You can see we can also flick through all the individual cameras just like here. And as you can see, they all work as they should do. Back into park, further down we have the climate control, ice cold air conditioning, again the wooden effect trim in the centre. Inside of here you'll find we have the cup holders, wireless phone charging and a Type-C USB port. We then have again the touchpad just there, armrest in the centre which can be opened up for extra storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. And as you can see, I'm going to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, So if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap on the pedals to change gear. We also have the volume buttons and the phone connectivity on the left, speed limiter and the adaptive cruise control on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays and different features that you've seen on the photos and walk around video. We also have the premium MERCEDES sound system, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we have plenty more features on the interior of this vehicle. We have the sunroof just up here. We also have the full leather seats, which are really comfortable and you can easily do 2, 3, within 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, perfect for the cold winter mornings, and also electrically adjustable, controlled here on the doors. We do also have the wooden effect trim on the doors, along with here in the centre. Really makes the interior a nice place to be. Got the main screen as well, just here in the centre. Currently showing the sat nav, but also has many more features as well. Again, you would have seen on the photos. We do of course have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth through all the gears. And now we've got our right indicator on. We're slowing down, and we're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park. And I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reverse camera and 360 view appears on the screen. Put it into drive, changes to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.